Hey, everybody. This is Don, Learn and Earn. Um, are you ready to make extra income, passive income, online, own your own business, working 2 hours a day? Even if you have a job right now, you can fit this into your schedule. Um, our program is completely put together for you. It's a blueprint to success. You follow the blueprint, you're going to succeed. We have over 40,000 members in our group, all there to help you. We just don't leave you lying there after you purchase something. You have weekly training. You need no tech savvy. Uh, we show you how to do everything. If you follow the step-by-step blueprint, you will succeed. We have four different streams of income. Our most popular is the legacy builder, but that is $900. It's not a big investment, and there's no monthly overhead after that. It's 100% free of any cost after your initial investment. If you feel that that's a little bit too much, you can always start out with our $129 program, which gives you everything that our legacy builder program gives you, except it's one stream of income instead of four. Good news is that you can always upgrade. So if you're thinking about passive income and trying to build something for yourself and get out of debt and have money to do the things that you want to do, go to my website, www.learnandearn.biz, and you'll get all the information. Talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.